Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ba Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind I will share a video. Remember ring to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. See the video be a better one sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we should say be a fried sweet potato recipe. Me na me tasty and it tastes really nice. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients in na wo. We a sweet potato no. Wo be sinsin hu nyina. Sinsin wi an we twa ne size say de ope. We na dia to nsu a obakakwa ohuru wo hu. Be say ohuru 2 times. Ansa ne ato aso. Ohuru 2 times every. Now the nsu foforo de egum. Now the salt aka ho. One mixing nyina together. We no just for 30 minutes. Say the salt ni be kwa hu yie. After 30 minutes, na wakwachi medium hot oil mu. Then there say dani say the enshi. Na nyina bebempe. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Aha no aben na de agu tissue paper so ansa na wa serve. If much send the kan a wo hwe video a memma rem subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say the video bia beto wa won sabeka me ye na me tasty no it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our fried sweet potato recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.